Bodily motion whilst you chew? What exactly are you doing? You look like you're prepared to do something, are you? Oh!
Okay, hold on. I'll explain in a second.
You can go like that, but you're gonna spin it across my room.
No. Oh, wow. That was a big one. So I had it in my mouth, and then my tongue was caught underneath, so I couldn't get anywhere.
That's quite unfortunate.
I was trying to talk. I was trying to, like, flip it around so I could see the other side. My tongue was stuck.
That's very unfortunate, Jessica. I'm sorry you had to endure that. I was wondering what that noise you kept making was.
I was trying to talk. I forgot what I was saying. My tongue stuck. Say your potatoes.
Oh, is this all one video now? Squishy potatoes. Okay. Should I explain first? When I was little, for some reason, everyone on my bus...
I'm gonna eat watermelon while you do this.
Okay. Everyone on my bus used to do this, and so now I'm gonna do it because Jess is making me. Squishy potatoes. Squishy please.
Oh, my hip just cracked. But that was amazing.
That was what?
That was what?
You said that was, and then there was another word there.
It was amazing.
Oh. Well,
Oh.
thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Beautiful. See, I sound cool, but you make the good